This is the video covering the exercises based on the previous video, estimating sums of whole numbers. And what this worksheet is the same exact worksheet as the first exercises. The only difference is instead of finding the actual sum, we're just going to estimate the sum. And then I have the worksheet here to compare the answers. So let's get started. We're going to round each of these to the furthest place to the left. So we look at the 1 is less than 5, so that rounds down. So the first place value here is 30. And 7 is greater than 5, so this rounds up to 70. And 30 and 70 is 100. And when we did this originally, we got 98. So that's a reasonable estimate. 98 is... Rounding this one here, 2 is less than 5, so that rounds to 40. 7 is greater than 5, so this rounds to 900. And the sum of those two numbers is 940. And it's pretty close to 912. In this exercise, 65, 5 is 5 or greater, so 65 rounds to 70, and 7 is 7 or greater, so 77 rounds to 80. We add those up to, we get 150, and the original answer we got was 142, which is reasonably close to 150. 9,055. 0 is definitely less than 5. And this is going to round up to 10,000 because 9 is 5 or greater. And when we add those up, we get 19,000. And the actual sum was 19,011 right here. So that means that, whoops, pulling papers everywhere. This is a reasonable estimate. It was 19,000. So here, these all round down. 500, 500, 500. When we add 500, 500, and 500, we get 1,500. And the actual answer was 1572. 1572, which is a reasonable estimate. So that's going to be 1,500 here. Let's do the big one here, or 1,500 as it would be properly said. I'm losing my camera here. Okay, here we go. This rounds up. 6 is 5 or greater to 4,000. This one rounds up because 7 is 5 or greater. This rounds down to 3,000. And this rounds up to 80,000. So we can add here. This is going to be 95,000. And let's explain why. That's 8 and 3 is 11, and 4 more is 5. Carry the 1, and we get 95,000. So this estimate is 95,000, and the actual answer is a little less than that, but it is an estimate, 89,992. All right, the next lecture, section 3, is going to cover properties of addition. I hope that I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.